Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making a card using the Storybook Moments Specialty Designer Series paper. We're going to only be using the pack that had the sheet that had the ephemera on it from this particular pack of paper. Then we have the Storybook Life stamp set that coordinates with the Storybook Life Scrapbooking Workshop Kit. Both of these are from the Scrapbooking Brochure that can be found online. And from this kit, we're going to be using the Designer Series paper, okay? So before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So we have our Inked Occasions paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 cards. Berry Burst is the stamping spot. We also have the Hugs of Bloom Dies add-on for $12, item number 166238, and that is going to coordinate with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits, and those dies are while supplies last. There's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. We have our March host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies, okay? Lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking for just $30 for the boxes. Shipping is included, so you get 1 box for $30, no shipping, okay? $30 is all you pay. It's about $150 to $200 worth of products in these boxes. But I have so much stuff, I have to get it out of my house, okay? If you're interested, email me at stampwithshawna@gmail.com. All right, and that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our project because we have some things to do. Some things. So we have our card base here of Cherry Cobbler, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We're going to burnish that down with our bone folder. Then I have our inside piece is basic white, 3.5 by 4 3/4. And we're not decorating this one today. Just going to get some Stampin' Seal on here and add this to the inside of our card. Come on. It's a little bit left, I know. Oh, that's it. That's done. That is empty. So now let's just put this on the inside of our card base. Get that in there. Okay, and this card is going to be landscape. And we're going to do some heat embossing. So I'm going to get out my heat embossing material. We're going to heat emboss and use the Wow embossing powder in the white. And we're going to use Versamark ink. And we're going to stamp on a piece of Mossy Meadow. And this is a 1/2 inch by 5 1/4. We're going to stamp the sentiment Special Moments. Let me try to get this straight on my block here because that is really crooked. Okay, that looks better. So let's just, I'm going to ink that up, but I need to use my embossing buddy here so that the oils from my hand won't make the powder stick. Okay, ink this up, ink. And I want to put this to the right-hand side of my cardstock here. Come on. I want this to be straight because I don't have another piece. I was being brave and only cut out 1 piece. Oh my goodness, what was I thinking? Okay, so let's get our embossing powder on here. Just like that. Ooh, that did pretty good. Okay. So we're going to pour our extra back into our container. Cap this off before we start our heat tool so that we don't make any mistakes. Okay, so we have that all heat embossed. Isn't that pretty? It's a little crooked. But you guys know me. Okay, so we have a piece of basic white here. This is 5 1/4 by 4, and we're going to layer on our Designer Series paper that we have here. We have one piece here that is 5 1/4 by 1 1/4. And then we have another piece that is 4 5/8 by 2 1/2. So I'm going to put this one on first. Let me get my liquid glue. As you can see, I'm just using the backs, the same paper, just flipped each piece over. I was trying to find a way to incorporate those strawberries on this one. I love that strawberry paper. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay. We're going to put that there. Then we're going to have this one about, not quite all the way down, but it is, I just want an even border on the 3 sides, the top and the 2 sides. So we're going to try to put this on. Well, I guess it is right up to that paper, just like that. Okay. Is that centered? It looks like. Then we're going to have our sentiment layer here. And that is going to go in between those 2 pieces. So I'm going to put this more towards the top of the plaid. Ooh, but we want to try to get it straight across like that. Okay, and then we're going to put this whole thing onto our card base. Ooh, this is so pretty. And we haven't even added the rest of our elements. So now we are going to get our Stampin' Dimensionals here. We're going to pop up our little, what is it called? The little die cuts from the Designer Series paper, the Storybook Moments. Oh my goodness. Storybook Moments Specialty paper. So we have 2 little ducks here, the mama duck and the baby duck. And we're going to pop them up on our project. Where's that little piece of one? Let's put this one down here. Okay, so we have the baby duck. Baby duck is going to go about right there. Then we have the mama duck, and we're going to put her about right there, just like that. Then we're going to add some of our antique pearls that are also a part of the Storybook Moments suite. And we're going to put a small one there, a large one there, and let's get one of these mediums and put it about right there. And call this card done. Isn't that cute? Nice and sweet. Special moments. Then you can write whatever you want on the inside. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.